How to turn on director mode on GTA 5 story mode. Alright, so what you have to do first is click on your setting. Then once you're on your settings, you have to scroll all the way to the last one. Just scroll. And it should take you to this page right here where it says Rockstar Editor. Now from here, you're going to have to click on your space if you're on a keyboard and mouse. Then once you click on that, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're going to have to click on the third option right here. Just click on that. Click on yes. I was going to show you a little trailer, and then you're going to be into director mode. Now from here, you could literally pick anything. So you have actors, right? You could put anything. You have downtime, you have costumes, you have gangs. You could also go back. You could also click on settings, and now you could change the wanted status. You could change the weather. Like for example, I have rain right now. I'm gonna put on thunder. You could literally do anything. Just go back and click on enter director mode. It should be the last one right here. And once you click on that, it should take a little while and you're going to be back in story mode. So as you guys can see, I have thunder and everything right here. So that's how you turn on director mode in GTA 5 story mode. This is what I hope. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.